Absolute bullshit. Sitting there laughing. Maybe to a wrong it's good. Not to anyone that's fucking obvious. Fucking not. Screw. Fucking scumbags. Doing nothing to fucking help. Lying in front, making everyone shout, stinking the ass out of them, molding fucking taking my mum's fucking money, taking my mum's laptop when she was leaving fucking hospital, cancelling mattresses, the fucking list is endless. I'll come back to this house, she was laid on the fucking floor with holes in it, with black walls. Two men screaming at her. Do this, do that. Still harassing me, still making me shout, still making me fucking upset, still fucking doing what he's doing, thinking he's a fucking visit from the Lord. I don't like to get these people involved. They've been to me and they've asked him whether he went to the route, he's still continuing. I'm going to have to go to the fucking law about it. At the end of the day, my mum and dad wants a bit of peace now. All this bullshit needs to stop. It's 2024. Taking the piss out of them. Keep smoking it in the ass, mate. I'm telling you now. I'll get 4 lads round here now. Keep smoking it. Keep smoking that shit, stinking the ass out. Keep stinking my mum and dad's ass out. Watch. Don't give a fuck who you fucking record, whatever. Keep stinking my mum and dad's ass out with fucking weed, mate. Keep doing it. So I'll fly keep straight in the fucking head, little rat. Get my mum's money. Get my fucking mum's money, fine.